What is up, everyone? This is Motorola, and today I'm going to show you how to fix the setup was unable to create the directory software installation failed error. So let's get right into this. So the easiest way to basically fix this is to open up local disk C. In here, just make a folder. If you already have one, great. Just take the path from here. If you do not have one, create a folder called temp. So like right click into here, go over into new and go into folder. The folder that you create over here, the next thing you need to then do is to go over into your system settings. In here, write advanced system settings until you see this pop up. In here, you want to then go over into environment variables and click into the temp folder here. Edit the path and basically paste the path that you created, right? That's all you want to do here. So you essentially, whatever path you created, meaning you go over here, you just copy this path, so C temp, and then you just paste it in this environment variables for the temp and the TMP folder that you see over here. Once you do that, basically edit it, save the path, try the installation again, you should be good to go and not have this error persist any longer. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys are a video, please subscribe to the channel, make sure to subscribe, click that notification bell on that. Motorola's out. Peace.